universe is full of mysteries. But where did it all begin? Every star is born in the embrace of giant nebulae. Gravity causes the gas to compress, heating the heart of the future star. A new star is born. Its energy is the result of nuclear fusion. Massive stars live fast and die brightly. A supernova is an explosion that leaves behind everything but silence. The debris of the explosion enriches the cosmos with new chemical elements. These elements will become the building blocks for future worlds. The irony of the universe. The death of one star can spark the birth of another. Thus begins a new cycle. From destruction, something new is born. When the wave of a supernova collides with a gas cloud, a new birth begins. In the heart of the cloud, the first complex molecules are formed, among them organic ones. Sometimes, instead of a single star, an entire family is born, a star cluster. Around young stars, rotating disks emerge, cradles of planets. Small clumps in the disk may eventually become entire planets. Dust sticks together, forming the first bricks of future planets. A collision is not a catastrophe, but construction. This is how protoplanets are born. In this cosmic carousel, the first prototypes of planets are already forming. Even neighboring stars have an influence. Their flares can alter the course of planet formation. Grains of cosmic dust carry the signatures of ancient stellar explosions. Materials from supernova explosions enrich young planetary systems. Radioactive isotopes from the supernova could have heated young planets from within. Thanks to this, some objects had magma from the very beginning of their existence. Giant collisions are part of the epic story of planet formation. Planets seek stable orbits, shaping the architecture of the new system. Gravity conducts this dancing symphony of worlds. Even Earth was once a blazing ball that gradually cooled down. The first atmospheres emerged from the deep interior, still without a single breath. Such processes are not an exception. They are a common scenario in the universe. And among billions, one star that became the beginning of our story. Our sun began as one of millions of newborn stars. The material around the star is preparing to form the first planets of our system. These tiny particles are among the oldest witnesses of our cosmic history. Meteorites preserve traces of the first moments of the solar system. In the beginning, there was a true cosmic storm with numerous collisions. Thus began the story that led to the formation of our home, the solar system. In the young solar system, countless bodies compete for a place under the sun. Giant collisions contributed to the formation of Earth-like planets. The surface of young planets crystallizes, marking the beginning of a new phase in their evolution. Jupiter is a giant that shaped not only itself, but also the orbits of its neighbors. Between Mars and Jupiter remains a region where a planet never fully formed. 4 rocky worlds born from a complex dance of evolution. The gas giants are gravitational titans dominating the outer part of the system. Even the most distant planets found their place in the harmony of the system. At the edge of the solar system, cold and icy silence reign. After millions of years of chaos, the stable architecture of the solar system we know today The Moon is the result of a dramatic cosmic collision that changed Earth forever. The debris from the impact gathered into a ring, the beginning of the Moon. From chaos was born a satellite that has accompanied Earth ever since. The newborn duet, Earth and Moon, became inseparable. For millions of years, planets endured a true cosmic bombardment. Comets may have brought water, one of the key ingredients for life. Thanks to impacts from space, the first oceans appeared on Earth. For the first millions of years, Earth was a restless planet in constant turmoil. Even today, meteorites tell us the story of Earth's birth. The solar system had reached stability, but its story was just beginning. The solar wind cleared the space, leaving the planets in well-defined orbits. These fragments are unfinished worlds that never became planets. Some fragments still wander and may fall onto our planet. The red planet is like an archive of early events in the solar system. Among countless worlds, it was here that unique conditions came together. Even the planet's interior preserves the memory of its fiery origin. The surface of our planet has never been stable or calm. These minerals are the oldest solid witnesses in Earth's history. Our star became the driving force of life and stability in this system. This is our cosmic home, the result of millions of years of chaos and creation. Comets are messengers from the outskirts, preserving the conditions of the system's beginning. The Oort cloud is the final frontier, where the reign of our sun ends. From giants to dwarfs, every body has its role in the cosmic story. Moons of planets, small worlds with great mysteries. Ice giants, mysterious worlds, distant but immensely important. This cosmic mechanism has been working for billions of years, harmoniously and majestically. Our planet is just a drop in the ocean of stars in the galaxy. Meteorites still contain material older than the sun itself. In the cores of stars, the elements from which we are made are born. Oxygen, iron, carbon, all are gifts of a stellar explosion. The atoms of our bodies have a cosmic origin. We are made of stardust. The sun is the source of light, warmth, and stability for all life on Earth. Earth's nature has changed over millions of years, creating a place for life. Even deep underwater, chemistry could have laid the first steps toward life. The simplest life forms became the starting point of biological evolution. From supernovae to oceans, everything in the universe is interconnected. The history of the universe is a history of connections between explosions, stars, and life. Everything we see is built from the products of stellar explosions. The same atoms that shine in the stars flow through our veins. Every sunrise is a new reminder of our stellar origins. The stars above us and within us, we are part of one great whole. The great story of the universe permeates everything, from the gigantic to the microscopic. The solar system is a stable cosmic orchestra born from a chaotic beginning. From the tiniest particles to the largest structures, everything was created together. We are part of a galaxy spinning among billions of others. What began with an explosion became the foundation of the world we know. Everything in the universe has a beginning, and each stage leads to the next. Every star was once just dust, and every end is a new beginning. The micro-world and the macro-world are two sides of the same reality. The daily motion of our planet is the legacy of billions of years of system evolution. Even the satellite of our planet affects the conditions of life. Life is movement, and movement is energy that began with a star. In the depths of the earth lies the chemical memory of a cosmic past. Even our genetic code is a manifestation of cosmic chemistry. The light of the stars not only warms, it reveals the truth to us. The cycle continues: explosions, stars, planets, life, again and again. Stars not only created atoms, they inspired entire civilizations. We are the only particles of the cosmos capable of observing themselves. Every landscape on Earth is a creation of processes that began in a stellar explosion. Everything in nature, from the micro-world to the cosmos, is woven into one rhythm. This blue sphere is our home, born from the explosion of a distant star. The history of supernova explosions is the beginning of the history of ourselves. Subscribe to explore the history of Earth's evolution with us.